Now, let's find the value of the sine and cos function at the angle of 15 degrees. So we need to find sine 15 first. Now, remember that if you, God forbid, you do not have a calculator, or you just end up with a really, really bad professor, and he tells you to find sine 15. What do? Well, we have some things that were taught beforehand. We know that cos 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Okay, we know that sine 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, I'm just mixing that. Sine 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2, and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we know these two, and we know that sine 45 is equal to 1 by under root 2, and we know that cos 45 is also equal to 1 by under root 2. Okay, you can draw the triangles for them and verify them, but we just know these because, well, in my country, that's just the standard practice to know these values. You can just draw the triangle and figure them out. But you can write down sine 15 as sine 60 minus 45, right? And once you apply the trigonometric identity on this, you find out that sine 60 minus 45 is equal to sine 60 cos 45 minus cos 60 sine 45. Well, now you can replace the values that you already know. You know that sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. You know that cos 45 is 1 by under root 2. You know that cos 60 is 1 by 2. And you know that sine 45 is 1 by under root 2. And that eventually gives you this value. So now you've just beaten the professor. And again, for cos 415, remember the same values. You can apply them over here. You can write down cos 15 as cos 60 minus 45. Okay, now you apply the identity for the cos function. Cos 60 minus 45 can be written down as cos 60 cos 45 plus sine 60 sine 45. And again, you replace those values. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Oops, sorry. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 over under root 2. And sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. And sine 45 is 1 by under root 2. And once you do all the multiplication, you end up with this. And so, without using the calculator and by using the trigonometric identities, you found out that the value of the sine and cos functions of the angle 15 degrees is just very simple.